Hi there Hettie's fans, it's Sam here from Hettie's Crafty Creations. Thank you very much for buying one of our ribbon rag wreath kits, and I'm now going to give you a quick demonstration on how to make yours at home. When you unbox your rag wreath kit, inside you will find a set of instructions which has got all of the processes to make your completed rag wreath kit. You will also find a piece of twine which will allow you to hang your project up once you've completed it. You've got the 10-inch hoop frame, which is powder coated steel, and it is a concave shape. If you're laying it on a flat surface, ring number 1 is flat to the surface, 2, 3 are raised, and 4 is flat to your surface. You have these 4 bridging pieces around the frame that helps to hold the shape, and also we're going to use those so that we know each quarter as we're filling it up. You will also have all of your pre-cut ribbon. In each of your color choices you will have 60 pieces of each color. It's all pre-cut, sealed, and it's 15 centimeters in length. When we tie it around, we're going to use 15 pieces of each color in each of our quarters to fill it up, and I will show you how we do that right now. So we're going to choose the order in which we're laying out our colors onto our frame, and for this one I'm just going to go in green, gold, red and silver. We take our ribbon and we go under hoops 1 and 2, and then we're just going to tie a double knot. So there we go, between band 1 and 2 with our first colour, and we go left over right and through the middle, pull it tight. Make sure our ends are about the same length, and then we go left over right, tuck it through the hole in the middle there, and we just pull our 2 ends apart. It's a simple overhand knot, and then we slide it up towards the bridging piece, and we just keep repeating. So the second one, 2 to 3, go left over right, tuck it under, then left over right, tuck it through the hole, pull the ends through, pull it tight and slide it up. Doesn't matter if it's not tight on the hoop, because by the time you've filled this quarter they will all hold each other in place. And then we go loop 3 to hoop 4 there, and again it's left over right, tuck it under, pull it tight, left over right, tuck it under and pull it tight. So left over right and under, pull it tight, left over right and under and pull it tight. And then we slide that round to our first bridging piece there. We then take the second ribbon of the same colour and we go between hoops 2 and 3. So we're under hoop 2 and 3 like that, and we're just going to do the same again. So we go left over right and under, pull it tight, left over right and under, pull it tight, slide it up to the bridging piece, and then we take our third one of same colour and we go between 3 and 4 this time. So there we go, 3 and 4. We're going to tie left over right and under, tuck it through, pull it tight, left over right and under, tuck it through, pull it tight and slide it up to our bridging piece. So there we have a band of 3 of the same colour. Now we're going to do a band of the next colour. So we're going to go with our gold for this one. So we're going to go 1 to 2. So there we go, 1 and 2, left over right and under, put it tight, left over right and under, put it tight, slide it up to meet our green one. Take our second gold, and that's going to go between 2 and 3, we go left over right and under, and then left over right and under again, and we slide it up to our bridging piece. Now we have 2 colour bands, we've got green gold, our next one is going to be the red, and again we start 1, 2, go left over right, under, put it tight, left over right, under, and put it tight, and then slide it up to our gold. Then we go 2 to 3, and then 3 to 4. Slide it up. And we take our last colour, about 4. So this one's going to be silver, and again, 1 to 2, left over right, under, put it tight, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. Slide it down. So now, you look at the back, we have 1 band of green, 1 band of gold, a band of red, a band of silver. We're going to repeat that until we have got 5 bands of green, 5 bands of gold, 5 bands of red, and 5 bands of silver, all in this 1 quarter here. So as you progress round, you'll see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bands of the red in that quarter, 5 gold, 5 green, 5 silver, and then you just follow that all the way around. And then if you want to embellish it and you have your own ribbons, you can always add in some extra glittery ribbons. You can see there I've used some gold sparkly ribbon and some silver and some red. And if you want to do that, all you do, find where you want to put it in the hoop, and then just move your ribbons apart, open up an area, and you can then tie in either Christmas decorations like baubles, or you could tie in some funky ribbon that you may have already got from somewhere else. And then once you've found where you want it, you just zhuzh the ribbons back, and then there you can see on the front you've got some sparkly gold and some sparkly reds. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have got any other questions, you can always send us an email at so it's sarah@hettiescraftycreations.com, or visit our website and send us a message through there. It's www.hettiescraftycreations.com. Thank you very much and enjoy.